Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist, Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. And today I'm going to show you how to make an oil to milk face cleanser. Now let me show you just how easy it is. An oil to milk cleanser is a type of transformative facial cleanser that starts out as an oil or a balm and turns into a milky emulsion when it comes into contact with water. When you apply it to dry skin, it behaves like a rich oil that dissolves makeup, sunscreen and sebum. Then when you add water, it emulsifies, turning into a milky fluid that rinses clean without leaving a greasy residue. We will start with the water phase. You can see that it's a very small water phase. And to that, I'll add a substantial amount of a humectant. Humectants attract and hold water on the skin surface, leaving the skin feeling hydrated and soft, not tight or stripped after cleansing. Then we will add micromoles LB, which is a blend of natural ingredients used to create liquid micellar oils using a cold process. Then we'll just pop that on the mixer to gently combine. For my lipid phase, I'm using a blend of natural and naturally derived lipids, including caprylic capric triglycerides for its spreadability and light skin feel, some almond oil, which is highly compatible with the skin and rich in oleic acid, giving it strong ability to dissolve makeup and impurities, and some squalane for its oxidative stability, silky skin feel and non-comedogenic qualities. For the fragrance, I'm using a combination of lavender, which is well known for its calming effects, some chamomile for its soothing effects, and just a touch of tea tree for its antimicrobial and sebum controlling properties. Then some mixed tocopherols to protect my plant oils from oxidation. Gently combine the oil phase together and then we'll add it to the micromoles LB dropwise at low shear to reduce clouding. Now it's really important that you take your time doing this step and don't rush it. So you can see with some patients, we are able to create a beautiful water in oil emulsion that is quite transparent. Now you can pour that off. Now we have this lovely transparent oil to milk cleanser that if we just add, you can see it goes on an oil, see it goes on quite an oil feel. That will help to dissolve makeup, sunscreen and impurities from the skin. Then once we add some water, we get this beautiful milky cleanser. See, and that's how easy it is to make an oil to milk face cleanser. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!